Here's a trade today that was shared in the Master Trader Green Room, which is our live trading room where subscribers log in. We have discussions throughout the trading day about different setups, and we do trades, whether it's a credit spread trade, shorting ETFs, which I'm going to show you, or futures. So today was shorting the leveraged diamonds. That's an ETF that's leveraged 2 or 3 times the underlying. We always start with the underlying to look for support and resistance in a setup. We start with the daily chart. I see it's up a whole bunch of days in a row. Common sense tells me it's likely to retrace. I go to a 65-minute chart, and I can see it's what we call climactic, and it's been going sideways for a few hours. And there we go down to the 5-minute time frame, and I'll scroll that over, and this was the big resistance area. The short was under the first 5-minute bars low when it was rattling around here. As soon as I shorted it, it went right back up. It happens a lot in these markets. But my stop was up here, which means that's where it was share sized. So sellers, when they reemerged up here, they knocked it back down. At that point, I knew it was a lock. It was going to go down based on the higher time frame analysis. And then it waterfall down and began trailing it and stopped out down here. Now, it's going lower, but as I saw it, it was likely to stabilize there. It had gone down for several hours and was on a little bit of support. It stabilized, and I think it's going to go lower, but at this point, I'm not sure. But I continue to watch this on a 5-minute chart to see if there's any breakdown failures or it pops back up. Another one was the Russell. Not quite the same, but it broke out prior day. It came back down again. It broke down under the first 5-minute bars low. Share sized it up there, added it to it over here, and it's been moving down. Some days set up in the same way. Other days they don't. That's trading. It's not always the same every day, and that's what makes it exciting. Join us in the green room.